Welcome back, dear students. Here we are solving Tamil Matric SSLC Class 10 Maths, the previous year question paper. The question paper is 2025 question paper. The question number 33. If A is equal to matrix 1 to 1, 2 minus 1, 1, and B is equal to matrix 2 minus 1 minus 1, 4, 0, 2, show that AB transverse is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Here given two matrices, A is equal to 1, 2, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, and B is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 1, 4, 0, 2. First LHS. LHS is equal to AB transverse. So here we need to find first AB, A into B. Here A is in 2 by 3 and B is 3 by 2. Hence we will get resultant matrix is 2 by 2. Here AB is equal to, we are going like this and like this. That is 1 into 2, that is equal to 2 plus 2 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 2 plus 1 into 0, that is equal to 0. In the next column, 1 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 1, 2 into 4, that is equal to 8, 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. Now in the second, 1 into 2, that is equal to 2, plus minus 1 into minus 1, that is equal to 1, plus 0. Again, 2 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 2, plus minus 1 into minus 4, that is equal to minus 4, plus 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. So adding this, we will get 2 plus minus 2, that is equal to 0. Then minus 1 plus 8, that is 7, plus 2, that is equal to 9. 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. And minus 2 minus 4 plus 2. So these minus 2 and plus 2 are cancelled. We will get minus 4. This is the value of AB. Now we need to find AB transverse. That's equal to interchanging the rows and columns. That is, we have 0, 5, 9 minus 4. So mark this as equation 1. Now in the right hand side, that is B transverse into A transverse. First we need to, we have A is equal to 1, 2, 1, 2 minus 1, 1. And B is equal to 2 minus 1, minus 1, 4, 0, 2. B transverse is equal to interchanging the rows and columns of B. That is 2 minus 1, 0, minus 1, 4, 2. In the similar way, A transverse is equal to 1, 2, 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Now we need to find the product of these two. That's equal to 2 minus 1, 0, minus 1, 4, 2 into 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 1, 1. Again multiplying, we get 2 into 1, that's equal to 2, plus minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2, 0 into 1, that's equal to 0. Then 2 into 2, that's equal to 4, plus minus 1 into minus 1, that's equal to plus 1, 0 into 1, that's equal to 0. And minus 1 into 1, that's equal to minus 1, plus 4 into 2, that's equal to 8, plus 2 into 1, that's equal to 2. Then the next column, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, plus 4 into minus 1, that's equal to minus 4, plus 2 into 1, that's equal to 2. This 2 into 2 will cancel, that's equal to 0. 4 plus 1, 5. 1 plus 8, minus 1 plus 8, 7. 7 plus 2, that's equal to 9. Here minus 2 and plus 2 are cancelled, that's we get minus 4. Hence, this is marked as equation 2. Now, from equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, we can write LHS is equal to RHS. That is, AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Hence, the proof. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next video.
Need 100 by 100 in maths? Join the Samacheer Kalvi guide. We provide online classes and concept-based videos for class 10 and 12